Alright, Mabsat. Dalawin naman natin yung eksenang drama sa Senado kanina. Tingnan nga natin yun. Dito yata yun.
Station of Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Oops, wait.
Training ang members ng
The Senate as an institution
Ito pa.
in ang inabot ng ating politika sa Pilipinas. Ito na ba tayo, Mr. President? Tuluyan na bang nilihis ng politika ang ating mga pamantayan sa pakikipagkapwa? The situation stooped so low that here, in and around these same august halls, may pwedeng magkasa ng barel sa harap ng mga sibilyan.
Tama.
Dear colleagues,
Aplas ka.
kahit kailan, hindi yan nangyari sa Pilipinas. Kahit panahon ng kudeta, not even during the darkest days of martial law, did gunfire erupt within our halls. So, whether we stand in the minority or in the majority, the Senate as an institution has sustained a profound injury to its dignity, credibility, and moral authority before the Filipino people. And this frustrates me every day since Wednesday, including in the context of initial findings from the investigation conducted by the Department of Justice, the Department of the Interior and Local Government, and the Philippine National Police, beginning to reveal various points. Patuloy pa rin ang investigasyon, Mr. President, at dapat lang. But still, this needs to be said. Kapag may nagpaputok ng barel, right here in the people's house, kapag naghasik ka ng takot sa mga empleyado, sa media, sa security personnel, at sa mga sibilyan, kapag may natroma dahil sa karahasan at umuuwing nanginginig at hindi mapakali sa sariling bahay, lampas na ito sa isyu ng pamumulitika. Pambabastos na yan at pang-aabuso sa lahat-lahat ng ipinagkatiwala sa Senado bilang mga lingkod bayan. As we all know, democracy has always made room for disagreement. But, dear colleagues, hindi na ito political disagreement. Hindi na ito issue ng kampihan. What should trouble us is the manner by which this agreement is being settled, which reflects a broader national discourse that has become more coarse and unforgiving. When aggression is normalized and humiliation is treated as political currency. We cannot have a culture that proudly treats fellow Filipinos as enemies to be defeated, all in the name of clout. Yung mga pagbabanta, pambibintang, pananakit ng damdamin, hindi yan ang dapat ginagawang sukatan ng tapang. Kahit magkakatunggali sa politika, hindi tayo dapat ganyan sa isa't isa, lalo na dito sa Senado. Hindi ito tahanan ng ganyang kababang uri ng politika. Ngayon, higit sa kailanman, dapat manaig ang ating pagka-Pilipino. I refuse to believe na tayong mga Pilipino ay mga bulag na sumusunod sa sinumang politiko. I refuse to believe na wala nang natitirang malasakit, hiya, o pagmamahal sa bayan. Kasi ang mga krisis, ang mga sakuna, hindi yan nagtatanong kung sino ang kakampi mo sa politika. Lahat tayo tinatamaan at lahat tayo may responsibilidad. At tayo mismo, dito sa Senado, kaya nating magkasundo. In fact, all of the laws I myself have championed could not have passed without the support of those from across the political aisle. And I refuse to believe that this institution that has crafted laws for the most marginalized, that has conducted crucial investigations, that have moved the needle at various political junctures, is beyond repair or redemption. Let us remember, Mr. President, that we have a bicameral legislature with a Senate elected at large, precisely to have a body that can rise above parochial concerns and craft a vision for the entire nation. At kaya kong sabihin ng buong puso that this Senate has, at its best, shown that disagreement does not destroy our common duty. We have passed laws across party lines. That is why we cannot act as though nothing happened last week. Alam natin ang tama at mali. Alam natin kapag sumosobra na. And this is what our country needs from us now. For the Senate, in this difficult hour, to reflect the best of our people. May we prove worthy of the trust that our people have placed in us. Marami pong salamat sa inyo at sa lahat, Mr. President.
Pass forward. Puntahan na natin yung nagdrama. Ito. This is it. Climax tayo kagad, climax.
Ate. Yeah. Senator Pia.
Mr. President, I also will not interpolate or make my own privileged speech today as requested by the Senate President. I reserve my right to
Ito
make
ba yun?
the
Ito
proper
ba yun?
interventions at the time that the Senate President and our other colleagues agree upon. But I just want to make this quick statement.
Okay.
Parang walang nangyari. Yan po
Yun.
ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros.
Nako po! Parang wala bang nangyari. Nako po, iba na naman ang comprehension talaga tong magkapatid na to. Sige, tuloy.
Siguro po, para sa inyong mga wala
Baka lang. Shout out, Kapsat Mark Rivera. Mga Kapsat, no? Shout out, Kapsat. Tsaka, sabi ni Kap ninyo pala, Maestro, dapat kabahan na sila kay Pastor Alan Cayetano kung sarili niyang kapatid na hudas niya. Paano pa si VP na di niya kano-ano? Ayun lang. Kaya nga.
dito.
Oh, teka
Pero
lang.
para sa
Wait lang.
parang walang
Isa pa.
agree upon.
Okay, here we go.
But I just want to
Action.
make this quick statement. Parang walang nangyari. Yan po
Oh.
ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros. Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari. Takot na takot po ako na kailangan ko na magpaalam sa mga anak ko. At yung staff ko, 2 pintuan ang pagitan ko sa putukan. Yung staff ko na si Claire, na 20 years na sa akin, nandun siya sa labas. She has a 12-year-old son. Kinuwento niya sa akin late na tumatakbo siya, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. Kaya para sabihin niyo na walang nangyari. Napakasakit pa.
Oh, si Loren, oh! Oh, back up! Putragis, Gantos up! Shout out! Putragis, oh! Nakakayak naman yung drama ni Pia. Grabe, drama. Drama ba po? Yun lang. Paano ba naman kasi, no? Hindi sila under attack. Ano ba sinabi ni Pia last week? Pinapaputukan kami! Ha? Kung pinapaputukan kayo, dapat tinamaan kayo. Matragis. Kaya pala ang nagpaputok, si Aplaska, Diyos ko Lord, hindi lang isa, kundi 3. 3 warning shot? Ay, gravity. Paldo! Diyos ko Lord. Oh, ngayon, lumabas ang katotohanan, ha? Ha? Kayong magkapatid, nako po, lumabas ang katotohanan. O ano? Under attack ba? O in-under attack yung NBI sa GSIS? Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ngayon, drama-drama kayo para kumuha ng simpatsya. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, wag nyo, wag kami.
Sa aming lahat na nandito. And as I said, 2 pintuan na nagpo-protect sa akin sa putukan. Pero yung media, yung Senate staff, yung hindi naman makauwi dahil sila ang security, sila ang elevator, women and boys natin, nandoon po sila. So dear colleagues, napakarami nang nangyari. And one more thing, wala
Talaga marami nangyari kasi nga caucus ng mga majority yun, hindi naman caucus ng buong Senado. Caucus nyo lang yun. Diba? What do you expect? Diba? Diyos ko Lord. At saka kitang-kita na sa CCTV ang katotohanan. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw nyo. Bistado na kayong lahat.
akong sinisisi. Pero nung pagkatapos ng lahat, pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority group, walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Bakit naman dapat hindi kinamusta? Majority group? Migsubiri, di ba pala kinamusta si Pia? Kiko Pangilinan, di nyo nilang kinamusta si Pia. Kawawa naman siya. Sana, Maring Pia, kamusta ka na? Bakit yun di kinamusta si Maring Pia? Diyos ko Lord, Ninyo Barzaga, ano ito ba nasabi mo dito? Matragis, anyari sa inyo dyan? Bakit hindi nyo kinamusta? Dapat binigyan nyo naman ng pagmamahal at concern. Grabe naman kayo. Gardosap, dapat kinamusta mo si Senator Pia. Ha? Diyos ko Lord, tingnan mo naman
One
oh.
more thing. Wala ho akong sinisisi. Pero nung
Oh,
pagkatapos
wala ka palang sinisisi! Bakit na nagsasalita dyan kung wala ka palang sinisisi? Ay, Diyos mio, Marimar. Grabe to. Ay, gravity. Wala ka palang sinisisi pero grabe ang kan mo ha.
dami
Drama.
nang nangyari.
Oh.
And one more thing. Wala ho akong sinisisi.
Oh.
Pero nung pagkatapos ng lahat, pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority group, walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin. Some of you I've known for 20 years. 10
Ayun, nakilala ko kayo ng 20 years. Nakilala ko kayo ng more than 10 years. Ano pa ba?
years. And I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan? Napakasakit mo sa akin.
Oo. Sino to? Napapayak din yung lalaki guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Napapayak din yung lalaki. Dali lang.
20 years.
Tingnan nyo,
10 years. And I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Oh.
Napakasakit mo sa akin.
Napakasakit.
Sobrang sakit. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yes, I am very ready to share my story, to ask questions.
Oh, Jinggoy! Yung CCTV, Jinggoy, lumabas! Jinggoy, yung CCTV, lumabas. Lumabas ang katotohanan, hindi kayo under attack. Kaya kayo, pinagtatawanan kayong lahat. Paano ba naman kasi, sabay-sabay kayong nag-live. Ikaw, si Pia, lahat kayo nag-live. Tragis, synchronize yung live nyo? Ha? Ay, Diyos ko, Lord Rudy, ibang klase, Yuki Sawaki. Mintik, shout out. Tragis.
Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff namin, Senate staff.
Ngayon, galit ka na. Kanina, iyak-iyak. Ngayon, pwede to Direct, pakicheck nga. Pasok na ba to? Pasok na ba? Yuki Sawaki, Gardo Zap. Pasok na ba? Felisa, shout out. Felisa Medina, shout out. Pasok na ba? Pasok na?
You have your own story. I respect that. But please respect my own story.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Alright, we respect your story. Pasok. Senator
Please.
Risa.
Yes, of course, we sympathize with the manifestation made by Senator Pia Cayetano. But
Ayan.
my position is merely to give a suggestion for your consideration and for the consideration of our colleagues. I think this particular issue, once culminated, should be referred to the Committee of the Whole. The reason being, it is an extraordinary remedy necessary because of the issues of Senate institutional security. With the chamber itself is affected, the institution is threatened. There are multiple Senate committees that are going to be involved: public order, justice, rules, ethics, even finance, because of the procurement of the weapons allegedly that were used. So the Senate has a direct institutional stake, every senator. So this is not just a majority or minority. So therefore, may I give a suggestion that you consider the possibility of all these manifestations be referred to the Committee of the Whole. And in the past, the Committee of the Whole, when we investigated formally,
Sabi di ba to? Ayos. Magaling. Okay yan.
investigated PhilHealth, it was the
Rudy.
Senate President that chaired the
Ito Sen, pasensya na i-skip na kita. Puntahan natin si Risa Hontiveros sa Amsat. Yung sagot niya. Ito. Pasok.
We yield, Mr. President. We yield to the distinguished lady, Mr. President.
Yan na, sige. Rest back.
Maraming
Senator
salamat,
Risa.
Mr. President. I empathize with the experiences and the feelings expressed by the gentlewoman from Taguig and Pateros. May I just repeat what I clearly stated at the context of na parang walang nangyari.
Yan, yung context, ipaliwanag mo nga kasi mukhang hindi nila nag-gets. Senator Risa, yung sinabi mong yung context na yan. Ipakipaliwanag para, kasi nasasaktan siya. Kasi wala man lang daw nangamusta sa kanila. No? Nakilala niya kayo ng 20 years, 10 years, Ay, Diyos ko Lord, wala man lang nakamusta kay Pia.
I'm talking about ngayon, after those terrible events that caused fear and a lot of other negative emotions and experiences sa ating mga colleagues, sa ating mga Senate staff, sa security unit dito at sa Senate media. Yun po yung punto ko. And it is akin to one of the points raised by Senator Erwin earlier, before my privileged speech.
But let me
just
assure
to
you
correct
that's not
that,
the
Mr.
case.
President.
In fact, I have to
Yes.
deal with the security of the Senate every day. I'm just not telling you everything that we have to deal with now to make sure that there's no bombs in the in the area, just like every day except this time, and also making sure that there's no miscommunication between the executive, legislative, judiciary, and the international community. That's precisely why we are waiting for the complete investigation, because there are matters that when are discussed in public will cause more alarm and confusion rather than clarity. But that doesn't mean na parang walang nangyari lang. I think that's the point where there will be strong answers, Senator Risa. But of course, you have your point of view, and we respect that.
Thank you, Mr. President. And lastly, just for the record, as I said earlier, I deeply respect the emotions of our distinguished colleague. It's evident that the violence that breached our halls has profoundly affected all of us. And I don't doubt, Mr. President, the leadership's personal distress over what transpired.
Thank you.
However, when I stated that it feels now as though walang nangyari, I was not speaking about our personal feelings. I was speaking about our institutional posture.
Thank you for
Our
that.
grief as senators is valid, but our mandate requires action. Salamat po ng marami, Mr.
Ayun.
President.
Thank you for that statement. And personally, I've stated this again and again. And I don't doubt the sincerity of President Marcos when he called to check if we are safe and to assure us that it wasn't an attack from the executive department.
Yun, kinamusta sila ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, konfirmado nga mga kakabsat. Pero si Risa, hindi niya kinamusta si Pia. Masama ang loob. Diyos ko po, Rudy, si Leonardo. Masama ang loob nila, si Leonardo, lalo na si Pia. Nakilala nila ng more than 10 years, 20 years, pero wala man lang ni isa ang nangamusta sa kanya. Dapat kinamusta mo si Leonardo. Ay, Diyos ko po, Rudy. Ay, gravity. Bakit naman ganyan? Nasasaktan si Pia pag ganyan. Wag naman. Tandaan nyo, iniwan niya yung mga kasama niya. Sumama niya sa kapatid niya. Kamusta naman yun? Diyos ko po, Rudy. Nako, nagsama-sama na lang sila. Yan, mga drama nila. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay na bala ko anong kanya pagkakaalam niya dyan. Yeah. Okay na tayo dito, Amsat. Yan, binisita lang namin yung headline kanina, no? Na merong umiiyak-iyak. Grabe ka naman, Senator Risa. Pinaiyak mo naman si Senator Pia. Sa susunod, kamustahin mo kasi. Nako. Siya, next topic tayo. Diyos ko, Lord, Rudy. Diyos ko po, Rudy. Alright, pasok.